Everyone thinks the best-selling self-cleaning cat litter box is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1: Tuya Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Let's kick things off with the Tuya Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Priced at $99.99, this one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 1,500 reviews. If you want hands-free freedom and time-saving convenience, this is worth a serious look. The Tuya litter box stands out with its multi-sensor intelligent safety system. That's crucial when you're looking to keep your pet safe while also maintaining cleanliness. Plus, it operates at a whisper-quiet 32 dB, making it ideal for those living in small apartments or for anyone who values a peaceful environment. It's designed to hold multiple cats and features a spacious open-top design that gives your kitty plenty of room to move around comfortably. Now, some folks pointed out that it may not work as well with certain types of litter. Here's the thing though, as long as you stick to clumping litter, you won't have a problem. It's a minor detail that shouldn't deter you if you're looking for an efficient, hands-free solution. This is perfect for you if you're a busy professional or someone who travels frequently. Skip this one if you have a larger space that requires a more complex setup. For the price, it really offers great value for a self-cleaning litter box. Product number 2: Cumrage Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Now, if the Tuya's limited compatibility bothered you, the Cumrage Self-Cleaning Litter Box might be just what you're looking for. At $199.96, it's a bit pricier, but you're getting a lot of features that justify the cost. What caught my attention here is the large drum capacity. It can handle cats weighing up to 33 pounds and has a 15-liter waste bin that lasts for about 15 days. This is a lifesaver for those longer trips away from home, ensuring that your kitty stays comfortable and your space stays odor-free. The smart app control is also a game changer, allowing you to manage your cat's hygiene remotely. And the quiet operation means your cat can do its business without waking you up at night. However, some users mentioned the app can be glitchy at times. But honestly, if you're not tech-savvy, this might not be a deal-breaker. You can still use it without the app. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity option with smart features. Skip this if you're looking for something budget-friendly. It's a solid investment for your cat's hygiene. Product number 3: Fume Automatic Cat Litter Box. Alright, that was a solid option. But the Fume Automatic Cat Litter Box takes things up a notch with a $249.99 price tag. It's designed for multiple cats, and let me tell you, the features are impressive. The built-in infrared motion sensors are great for safety, stopping the cleaning cycle when your pet approaches. This is essential if you have a curious or active cat. Plus, the ultra-quiet operation mode is perfect for light sleepers, ensuring you won't be disturbed during the night. The smart app control lets you customize cleaning schedules, which is a nice touch for those who like flexibility. On the downside, some users reported that it can be a bit complicated to set up. But I'll be real with you, once you get past that initial hurdle, it's smooth sailing. It's worth the effort for the conveniences it brings. This is perfect for busy families or anyone with multiple cats. Skip this if you want something straightforward and easy to use right out of the box. For what you get, I think it's a good value. Product number 4: PetSafe Scoop-Free Self-Cleaning Tray Refills. Next up, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, check out the PetSafe Scoop-Free Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box Tray Refills. Priced at $73.49 for a 3-pack, it's a great solution for owners who want to keep things simple. These trays are designed specifically for the scoop-free self-cleaning litter boxes. You can go weeks without scooping, giving you one less chore to worry about. The fact that they're leak-proof means you won't have to deal with any mess or spills. That said, some people found the crystals to be messy when emptying them. But honestly, it's a minor inconvenience for the convenience these trays provide. Just make sure to handle them carefully. This is perfect for you if you want an easy maintenance solution without breaking the bank. Skip this if you prefer clumping litters or have a different type of litter box. Product number 5: Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box. Lastly, we have the Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box at $119.99. This one is particularly good for small to medium cats and has some neat features. It operates quietly at under 35 dB, making it a great choice for households with light sleepers or sensitive pets. That's particularly useful for keeping an eye on your pet's health. And let's not forget the easy cleaning process. Remove the drum, wash it, and you're good to go. However, it does require assembly, which some users found a bit annoying. But once you get it set up, you're looking at a solid self-cleaning option. I think the assembly is worth it for what you get in return. This is perfect for you if you have small to medium cats and want a product that emphasizes health monitoring. Skip this if you're not up for some initial assembly. For the price, it's a good investment. So we've covered some great options today. The Tuya is ideal for busy folks wanting hands-free cleaning. The Cumrige has the app control feature for modern convenience. The Fumoy is built for multiple cats with sensor safety. The PetSafe is perfect for simple maintenance, and the Mintakawa offers health monitoring for smaller cats. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.